Yeah? Who's that? Is that Joan Jett? Yes. This video is supposed to be about her. I'll pet you soon. Gotta say hi to the new baby, who is apparently not a baby. Oh, hi. Hi, not baby. Apparently you're a year old. Oh. I know. Yeah. You are so small. How are you an adult? You look like 5 months old. But you're a year, apparently. You're so sweet. Hi. Oh my gosh, you're so small. Look at this creature. You are not going to be here very long. Oh no. You know, if someone comes get you tomorrow, I would not be surprised. But I guess I'm glad I get to meet you. Yes. Oh, my sweetheart. Ow. No, 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 no. No nibblies. No. No, 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 no. Laura, what are you doing? Hey. What are you doing? I had to film you move around a lot, huh? No nibblies. Yeah. What are you doing? No, you can't come out yet. Yeah. Good girl. Pretty girl. Yes? This isn't about you right now. Orchid. No, I know you want to explore. But you can't. You're too fresh. You're too new. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You're very tolerant. Yes, that's you. That's you. Hi. Your little love bites hurt. You're gentle, but they still hurt because you're very pointy. You got needles.